So a future pastor of Pharaoh's Global Church with the name Apostle Favor Michael, popularly known as AFM, has been involved in a knacking scandal with over 15 ladies in the church. Like this is him, a fine young pastor of a church in Federal University of Owerri. And this pastor actually disvirgined over 2 girls out of the 15 girls he slept with in the church, in which these 2 girls are underage. One was 16 and the other was 17. This matter actually came out last week on TikTok with different evidences flying around. But firstly, watch this video. Cause
holiness is not tying your hair or looking like Mary Amaka or not wearing trousers. That's not holiness. Holiness is not a dress code. Holiness is a nature that was imputed at salvation. You cannot have the Holy Spirit living in you and you still use the same mouth to say you are not holy. Say I'm holy. Come on, shout it. Say I'm holy.
Come on, shout it. Say I'm holy. The first evidence. Try make sure you grab your popcorn and listen attentively. Now look at this lady. This is Rejoice Lazarus. She has also private account on TikTok. Like, so this is the lead. This is the main should I say woman of AFM, our apostle. Because like, firstly, look at this lady. Look at these girls. You go believe say that they collect prick for church. Well, first listen to her confession when the matter first cast last December. That was last month. Listen.
Are you aware?
I'm not aware if he does anything with them.
So what about you?
Yes.
He has slept with you before?
Yes.
When did it happen first? Do you remember the year?
I don't know.
You don't remember the year and you're a girl. Don't lie to us, just tell us everything.
I'm under pressure. You should.
You have to be under pressure, but become.
Yes.
91. This is the
Yes.
and as recent as this year, after Jesus campaign.
Yes.
The middle of those campaigns. As far this week. I understand. Calm down. No pressure. No, just yes or no. This week. Okay, that's pressure. It's nothing like no pressure. Okay, this week.
Yes.
Okay. So that's about you, right? Yeah. So now tell us about the other people you know. That you are aware. See, don't try to cover.
I'm not trying to cover.
You see, they actually have a popular program at that Pharaoh's Global Church. They call it Jesus Campaign. Even that week, see, Joyce still admitted, say, pastor still naka. But wait, they knock each other. Which one be pastor naka? Actually, Apostle Favor Michael, AFM, has been sleeping with girls in the church from 2020. That was 6 years ago. And the church was like, they founded the church in 2019. So now this guy has slept with over 15 ladies in the church, in which some of these girls have been made pastors. For example, that Joyce is a pastor. There's one too, Chilaka, and there's another one, Nadine. Those are the top 3 that he slept with like on a regular basis. So now among the 15 ladies, according to the report, like he kissed one, romance, smooch some, and he has done penetration with 8. Wait. First, look at the pastor. Like, look who they call pastor. Look at the hair, he braid hair. You see that video where I first place in talks no be by your look, be Holy Spirit. Look at pastor, they call him Melin. See our fine pastor, right? Now, firstly, look at the church. All the ladies in the church, they know they cover hair. Most of them they wear trousers. And some like they made part. Funny, all these people are young people that they are like people will go to school. If you look at the voice note where Joyce the confessor, all those guys, they are young guys, and they are calling themselves pastors. Like according to the PDF that they released, they had a pastor, minister, Kilo, Shele, and all of them are young. Me, I always talk, I'm saying, religion is only meant for moral, just to like teach people moral, which has actually been very helpful to teach people morals and curb atrocities, instilling in fear of God in you. But this one, AFM. Like pastor, like I don't want to say all the girls we in the knack for that church. Funny enough, some pastors, like one pastor, I don't forget the name, like this guy brought 2 different girls into that church. Say make pastor AFM him, now pastor, like then they even get disciple. Like they get male and female disciple. Say that pastor bring one of them. Say one of the pastors also brought one girl. Say he one day time over. Coach I will call make she first feel with Holy Spirit first. This pastor AFM knock him apostle. Like he knock their girls. Like they will bring girls. Say make you put them through. You go they invite them come out. Now me I the one that say this pastor see as they climb altar, they preach every Sunday. You understand? He's the lead pastor in that church. He's a graduate. Most of these pastors, young pastors, they graduate from Futo, then they open a church, then all those freshers 100 level, and how church grows now. Now, whenever I climb altar, girls wey in the knack dey the congregation. Why? If he knack you Saturday night, you no go dey remember the kind talk wey he give you far, and you go dey preach holy. I am holy. Now, Pastor Joyce, all those girls, like they said, among all the girls wey he knack, they made like 4 pastors. One girl wey say her name na Joyce too, wey dey inside that church, wey people been thinking na her sef come out make video say no be me o, na this one o. Because now, like since last week like this, photo don scatter because it was being piped down low inside the church before. It never took cast that last December, but they say a lot of pastors have stepped down. Like they named all the pastors inside the PDF. They have stepped down because now this Apostle Favor Michael, after he cast, like they go meet am in lie. They say there's one their spiritual father, Pastor Efa, say make it babies that hair, fine boy hair when they use. Like, do you know what they say? The way he take they chop these guys, you say, you know, like if we tell the girls to come and see him at his house, like they allow girls to go see pastor because they like even one of the pastor where he knack in them, like sorry in girl that he brought to the church. Like he say he go even visit him one time, get where he bring come. Say them go they sleep for his house. Like they sleep for his house. They go they do VG, they go they do something, they go cook them. So they say make it cut here, make it step down. Blah blah blah, say make it go one church, they shall give him punishment, but unfortunately, he shall, he manipulated, used emotional everything. Say he talks say all the pastors they are jealous of him, blah blah blah. So all those pastors they shall later step down because this AFM guy he still did not step down. He was still calling shots. Like all the girls, all those pastor girls, like the Joyce lady, Rejoice lady, the Shilaka and Nadine lady, they are still pastors inside the church and they are still going to see him. Even this January, they talk, see those girls, they still don't go meet him. Like he still they knock them, they go.
Hi, and I used to feel special. Imagine that, like, cause the times I went to Apostle, every time I slept over in Apostle's house, I always stayed in his room. I used to feel special about that. Come on, they would tell those girls to go to the room, but me, I'm the queen. Even sometimes I see Chilaka, and then he would tell Chilaka to stay in the other room and tell me to stay with him. So, is it that she didn't know that he used to tell her, don't worry, tomorrow is your turn here?
Like that's another confession from one of the girls. Like you need to understand what grooming is. You see that one mentioned the Chinaka, like some of these girls they will go there, one being like he used to promise them like marriage. When those pastors approach those girls, so most of those girls confessed, right? That was how they got to know the number, because when they went to meet AFM, he did not tell them the number, he only told them that he was only slept with like 4 girls. Now 15 girls, they are going there, will be promising them marriage. Like he like grooming these girls when they enter the church, young girls from 100 level. Like I said, he dispatched like 2 girls, 16, 17. Yeah, you see where the way the girl they talk, they don't know say you go cast so excitedly. You don't know say your life don't spoil. See me, I feel special. When pastor they give, but they talk, so that joy saying I be the like the Mama Gio, like she the clip saying she be the like me, I the always talk. I'm saying all this religion when you know they practice, all this Christian they kind. Most churches where they, if you not fear enter heaven, it's just for morality's sake. Church is helping the world to just teach you guys moral, because some of you you cannot learn moral from your parents or not naturally. You have to go to church, because most of these Christians they may decide not to smoke or drink, but on waiting they commit atrocities for church. You see all these guys they wear we go church. When I go wear trousers, I go church, and you know go talk, speak in tongues. Holy Spirit they enter with my wear trousers or wear wig or wear. Bless you, now they know they read in the Bible well. Now just camp. And most of these churches, this one just cast to all these small churches for school, young. Then they knock waiting. Those pastors they knock. Most of those girls they don't be V now. If you're a man, you think it's for church, you go see what. Hey. This one just cast. The other ones don't go cast. You understand? So if you all these church girls, blah blah blah, many things they stop. You need to get the person say I've only had one ex, one body can and lie. If them go church like and church goers, now them they always do abosi back by the now them the wicked pass. I say me I don't all this in my church something, all this religion something. Na scam. Now they use them scam people. You know, this AFM now he manipulated the whole situation. He claimed the victim. Like if they knock over 15 guests for church, you still claim victim. If you read the PDF, they shall done all those other pastors shall don't step down. And he still wants to be the leader. And photo students that are watching these videos, I know say they know within the sub. So comment photo students. Comment the remaining gist for the comment section. Make people know say which are they talk. You go far gone. You see, this is Instagram page itself. Pastor RL Favor Mike. He said, "You don't private." Pastor, are you not trying to win souls for Christ? Why do you private your Instagram account? And click the follow button. Follow my Facebook and YouTube. I'm bringing. Don't worry, I'm bringing more. Don't worry. Pastor Favor Michael. Merlin. I ain't guitar. But it's a pity.